Welcome to this technical guide on the Neato Botvac D7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users report that their Neato Botvac D7 doesn't hold a charge, which can be quite frustrating. This usually happens due to a worn-out battery or poor connections. If left unchecked, this issue can lead to further damage to your device, making repairs more complicated and costly. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Neato Botvac D7, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Botvac D7 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the dustbin and brush from the device. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the Botvac. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors while doing this. Inside, locate the battery, which is typically secured by additional screws. Remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver. When you have access to the battery, gently disconnect the wires attached to it, taking care not to disturb any other components nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, take your replacement battery and connect the wires, ensuring they are secure. Once connected, place the new battery into its compartment and fasten it with the screws you previously removed. Now, it's time to reassemble the Botvac. Carefully align the casing back together and press it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely closed. Finally, replace the screws at the bottom to ensure everything is tightly held in place. To verify that your repair was successful, charge the device for a few hours and check if it holds the charge as expected. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the charging contacts and avoid leaving your Botvac on charge for prolonged periods when not in use. This can help extend the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.